Hello beautiful people, it's me Trish and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a followers pick my makeup. So if you want to know how I ended up with this look, keep on watching. I did a poll yesterday on my Instagram account. I asked my followers what makeup I should use and I have seen the results and I kind of like the outcome of my poll. Okay, let's start. The first thing that I always do is brows. 61% of my followers answered feathered brows over Instagram brows. So I don't have a brow soap yet, so I'm going to use a regular soap. Try natin i-achieve yung bushy brows. Now just brush my hair up. Feathered brows will instantly make your brows look super thick. Yung mga yung I look weird. Yung mga tawag dito, mga model brows. Mga nauuso ngayon. I'll just brush all my eyebrow hair up. Then what I do is i-ano ko siya, parang tawag dito, ipapantay. Yan, makakompare mo na yung brows ko dito compared dito. It looks instantly thick. I haven't planned any look. So, good luck to me. Sana maayos. Now that I'm now that I'm satisfied with my brows, I'm going to fill it in to make it look more fuller. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I am just going to mimic the strokes of my hair, and we're just going to fill that in. Now when you're satisfied with the shape of your brow and how thick it is, we are going to clean it with a concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm going to use a flat brush to blend the edges. I'm not going to put concealer here. Dito lang sa may pinaka-side just to clean out the shape of my brow. And I'll use my flat brush to clean it. We are going to set the brow. For my eyeshadow, I already primed my eye. I used, of course, my favorite, the Louise base. And let's see. 54% of my followers answered earth tone eyeshadow and 46% answered colorful eyeshadow. I actually missed using earth tone kasi mostly these days I've been using colorful eyeshadows on my eyes, and that's where I started actually. I started with earth tones and it's just now that I have been getting used to colorful eyeshadows. Share ko lang. Of course, we are going to use my Morphe 35O palette. I actually wanted to use my Morphe 35N palette kaso puro matte shade siya and I want something shimmery on my eyes, so we're going to use this. For my eyeshadow, I haven't really planned something yet because of course we're basing sa results ng poll. And I don't know what to I don't know what to do kasi baka mamaya pag may ginawa kong eyeshadow look when I'm not thinking it through, baka hindi ko magustuhan. So, good luck to me. I hope it will turn out nice. I guess we're going to do a bit of a glam look na parang smoky eye, ganun. The first color that I'll be using is in the shade Slight, and I'm going to put it on the side of my eyes, a crease. Put it here. And we're just going to blend it out. First, I'll pack on the color sa mata ko. Then, we're going to blend it out. I'm just going to drag it here. When you blend, you want your hand to be as light as it can be para hindi rough yung pagbe-blend mo. After that, I'm going to use the shade, Wannabe. I'll blend it out here. And we'll create, I'll drag it upwards. For the shimmery shade, I'll be using Upgrade, and I'll just put it sa inner part of my eyes. Now I'm going to go back to the shade Slight. Tapos lalagyan ulit natin to. Now with the clean blending brush, we are going to blend these two colors together. I look like a raccoon, but now we're going to do eyeliner. I'm just going to use my brow pomade because I want to use a brown liner for this makeup. And we're going to wing it out. I'll use Benefit's Badgal 24-hour eye pencil and put it on my waterline. Of course, you will tight line too. After that, I am going to put the shade Choco on the outer rim of my eyes. I am going to blend that color with Cafe. Okay, so far, I am liking this look. Let's head over to the next haul. I asked if I am going to use natural false eyelashes or long false eyelashes, and 59% of the answers were long false eyelashes. So that's what I'm going to be using today. I'll just do this side of my face, my eyes rather, and put on my false eyelashes and on the back. I already put my lashes, my foundation, I already color corrected, and so far, I like this look. Grabe ba talaga yung epekto ng lashes sa eyeshadow ko, parang wala lang. It gave it life. Kasi kanina, sobrang dull ng eyeshadow ko. The next thing that I asked if I was going to cream contour or if I was going to use a powder contour, and 55% of the answers were cream contour and 45% was powder contour. Now I'm going to contour my face so my contour will look more natural. I will use a darker shade of foundation. I am using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 320 Honey. Now I am going to now I am going to contour my face here para mamimik natin yung shadow ng mukha natin. That's why I use a darker shade of foundation. We're going to blend this out to remove any harsh lines. Ang daming buhok! After contouring, I'm going to use the same concealer, put it under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. Now it's time to blend all these concealer. I want to blend my concealer under my eyes last para mag-set siya. After concealing, let's now move on to blush. I asked if I was going to use a cream blush or a powder blush, and 54% of the answers were cream blush and 46% is powder blush. So I am going to use my Scout Beauty Blush Balm in the shade Tan. You have to have this in your makeup kit. I swear, a little goes a long way. It is very pigmented, lightweight, it won't move your foundation. I swear by this. Ganyan lang kaunti ilalagay ko kasi grabe yung pigment nito. I'm going to put my blush. Oh my gosh! Teka lang, bukasan natin. I'm going to put my blush dito sa my higher points ng face ko. Kasi kapag diyan mo siya nilagay, mas mukhang, alam mo yun, mas mukhang dragged up yung face. Dragged up. Basta yun na yun. And just a little bit sa apples of my cheeks. Mukha siyang super red sa camera, pero in person, hindi naman. For my highlighter, I'll use the Pond's Instabright Glow Cream. If you haven't watched my review, I'm going to put it on the description box. I'll use this as my highlighter for today because I actually like it. It's better to put it bago mo iset yung face mo kasi when I tried it after setting my face with powder, parang nag-move yung powder. Now, I'm done setting my face. We're now on the last one. I asked if I was going to put on a nude lipstick or a bright lipstick. Thankfully, ang nanalo yung nude lipstick. 78% answered nude lipstick and 22% answered bright lipstick. So I am going to use my favorite lipsticks, the MAC Mini Idol lipstick in the shade Honey Love and Whirl. I am going to mix these two together. I'm going to put on Whirl first. Hindi. Ilalagay ko. Uunahin ko itong Honey Love. Grabe, putlang-putla. Ito yung tsura ko pag may sakit. Now, I am going to put on Whirl. Okay, di ko gusto yung kulay niya. Mukhang super brown. Di bagay sa akin. So, papatuan ko siya na itong Herbal matte liquid lipstick in the shade Shenas. You should have this. Ang ganda nitong shade color. This is better. For my gloss, I'm going to use this Palladio Beauty Herbal Plumping Lip Gloss. Now we're all done. This is the look that I ended up with. To be honest, I really like it. I thought it was going to look really bad because of how dull my eyeshadow looked earlier, but thankfully it isn't now. It was fun doing this. I enjoyed it. I missed doing earth tones eyeshadows so much. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Bye guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below to get notified whenever I post. And if you want to follow my social media accounts, my Facebook is Trish Contreras and my Instagram is Trish_Contreras. Comment down below your thoughts on this video and your other video suggestions. Yeah. I hope that you like this video. Bye guys. Bye guys!